Okay, so we're going to start with the potatoes. About a few nuggets of potatoes. We're going to cut them in half. Well, once these are done, these will go into the air fryer for about 15 minutes. For seasoning, we're going to use olive oil. Give it a good spray of olive oil. This is so it works in the air fryer. We're going to have dried rosemary, cayenne pepper. Careful with the cayenne pepper. This stuff really picks up steam once you cook it in the air fryer. A bit of celery salt. And black pepper. Mix that around. Air fryer for 15 minutes. Here are the corn ribs. If you want to know how to make corn ribs, check out my earlier video. So the order of operation will be potatoes in for 15 minutes, corn ribs in for 9 minutes, shrimp in for 3 minutes. Next is the shrimp. Now I usually take the tails off the shrimp if I'm going to be eating them with a fork, but the whole idea behind this dish is that you can eat everything with your hands. So for today, we're leaving the tails on. And first thing to do is to dry your shrimp. We're going to do that so the olive oil and all the rest of the stuff sticks to it. So our shrimp are dried. Olive oil, of course, so everything works in the air fryer. So these go in after the corn ribs are done. Okay, so we're going to use just a little bit of this chipotle mango seasoning. Pretty good stuff. Mix that around. Next, smoked paprika. Then we add just a touch of garlic powder. Not very much on the garlic powder. And then, of course, ground black pepper. Once we mix this around, and we let it sit for a bit, we're going to put it on a skewer. All right, we're just going to put these on skewers. Nothing to see here, move along. And as I said, once the corn ribs are done, Then the shrimp goes in. Okay, let's plate this puppy. We're going to start with a bit of sriracha sauce for potential dipping. Then we're going to add a bit of peri-peri sauce. Also, potentially for dipping. Next, we'll start with the potatoes. As you can see, they've come out nice and crispy. In fact, they maybe could have used a little less time, but they are nice and crispy. Now our potatoes, we're going to finish, got a couple of toothpicks in there so you can eat them with your hands. Our potatoes, we're going to finish with about the juice from about a quarter of a lime and fresh parsley, Italian parsley. Next, come the corn ribs, and they came out nice and crispy. Very good job on the corn ribs. Hard to stand up. And then finally, our shrimp, which we will take off the skewer so they can be eaten with your hands. And we're going to finish them off with the juice of a quarter of a lemon. That's it. Enjoy.